What's up, everyone? It's me and Danny right here.
What's up, boys?
I got this new grill. I'm gonna paint it and install it on my WRX. Break everything down real quick. So I got the grill itself, some random cup to hold it on, and then just me using this sandpaper along with this Fusion all-in-one, and then it's gonna finish it off with some clear coat. Finish sanding. I honestly don't know how much we're supposed to sand it. I'm just gonna say like YOLO, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, good enough for me.
Yeah.
All right,
It's time to hit it.
Right, my man, what's your plan?
I think I'm gonna try to hit it with like 2 lightish coats, and then hit it with like 1 final more medium coat.
All right.
It's like around 5 to 10 minutes of drying in between each one.
All right, as you guys can see, Brian's not wearing a mask, but you should. It's just, you know, Brian doesn't care. He's too good. He's too strong.
I don't know about that one.
All right. Whenever you're ready, my man. Go ahead. Let me know if you need something. Here, you need help?
Oh.
All right.
Yeah. Second coat. Quick note before the last coat. I think I missed like this section, like right there actually. So I'm gonna hit that a little harder, but overall it's not too shabby so far. It's time to get the car into the garage. Just got the bumper off. Just got to take out these screws right here. Should have popped them out after a couple hours of waiting. I'm trying to test fit it on, but you know, as most things are, they don't fit perfectly. So yep, like that, man. If it's on the bottom,
yeah, the bottom fits fine. It's just the
top is, yeah. I think we will have to like really push it in.
The top, and then we have to line up the little tabs so we can drill them in.
Yikes! All right, let's get to work.
All right, boys. Well, this is why you don't buy reps. Dude, look at this. Oh man.
Yeah, no. Even if you try to, okay, ignore the paint, but like, even if you try to squish it up as much as you can, like maybe, just maybe.
Yeah, I mean, we ruined the paint while trying to do it, and dude, all the tabs on the bottom are fine, but there's no tabs on the top to even put it in.
Yeah, like
there's no way.
There's a world, but I don't want to.
And the guy really told us perfect mold,
perfect fit.
Man. Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna call this one a fail and then just move on with our lives because it's getting dark out.
Yeah, no, we've been working on this for a couple hours now.
Well, I've been here all day, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I live here. It's been all day.
We're just gonna.
I mean, it looks like a bajillion footer if you shove it up.
Yeah, you stand like across the block. This will look good.
I mean, at least I like the silhouette, but I'll have to buy another one.
Definitely go authentic next time. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you buy Japanese products, definitely not for a rep, unless you make it yourself.
That's different. That's custom fabrication.
That is custom, but yeah, I maybe throw this one away, dude. It's just not gonna fit.
Yikes, yeah.
All right, guys, it's just not it.
It'd be like that.
All right, Brian. So how's the grill?
Not on the car, that's for sure.
It's in your hands, so it don't fit.
Hand,
yeah. Hopefully we can get someone else hooked up. Maybe they have more experience than us, but yeah, it's not for us.
It'd be like
we tried, but maybe something else will fit next time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.